If you are teaching math in Florida, then you know that the BEST standards are no joke, and you deserve resources that will actually support you and your students every step of the way. My name is Ms. McCarthy, a former Florida public school teacher, the creator of McCarthyMathAcademy.com, and in this video, I want to break down the 3 membership tiers: the bronze, the silver, and the gold level. The bronze plan gives you video lessons for every math benchmark, plus printable student guides. Each video begins and ends with mindset techniques. So instead of jumping straight to math problems, I like to help students to shift their mindset and believe that they can do hard things. And teachers are using these videos in all kinds of ways, like whole group instruction, small group reinforcement, and independent learning through platforms like Canvas or Google Classroom. The video lessons inside the bronze tier are flexible, powerful, and built to save you time without sacrificing instruction. So with the bronze plan, the whole idea is that students will learn from the video lessons and record their notes on their printable student guide, which is awesome. But now you might wonder,
how do I know that they can actually apply what they've learned in the video lessons?
That is where the silver tier steps in. With a silver membership, you get everything that we just mentioned in the bronze, plus extra practice pages for every benchmark, answer keys for self-checking or review, and a math misconception mystery video for every benchmark.
Ooh, math misconception mystery, that sounds fun.
It so is. Math misconception mystery will instantly transform your students into math detectives, and they will watch and witness and analyze as 4 characters, which are really just me dressed up in silly costumes. These 4 characters are going to solve the same problem. The catch is that 3 of those characters will make mistakes that students commonly make, while only 1 character solves the problem correctly from start to finish. So your students are on a mission to figure out who solved it correctly, and more importantly, analyzing the errors that the other characters made and trying to help them to arrive at the correct solution. These math misconception mystery videos are amazing for sparking friendly debates in your classroom. Teachers love that these episodes deepen their students' understanding, and the kids love that this is actually fun. It's actually fun to analyze errors in math. So to recap, the bronze level contains the video lessons and printable student guides. The silver, you get all of that, plus you have extra practice pages, answer keys, and a math misconception mystery video for every benchmark. And the best part, you are not spending hours trying to piece all of these resources together. All of the heavy lifting is done for you. So the silver plan sounds great, right? Like you're gonna have everything that you need until you check out the gold plan. Once you see what the gold plan has to offer, you're going to be like, wah! And you'll understand why it's the most popular plan. So with the gold, you get everything in the bronze, the video lessons, printable student guides. You get everything in the silver tier with the extra practice pages, the answer keys, the math tasks, the math misconception mystery episodes, all of that. But here is what sets that gold plan apart. You'll get access to mini assessments to quickly check for understanding, mini assessments for every single benchmark. There's also breaking down the best episodes for each benchmark so you can master the standards too. The gold plan also unlocks McCarthy Math 155 lessons for even more visual and strategic instruction. Yes, this was built for the Common Core standards, but there are still a lot of videos. As long as you understand your benchmarks, you'll know what resources that you can pull from McCarthy Math 155 to help your students. And my personal favorite part about the gold plan is that you get access to taking on the FAST, which is a 15-day countdown to the PM3, the final FAST math assessment of the year. Taking on the FAST helps so many students and teachers during that final push to make it fun and exciting. That way your students can walk into that final FAST math assessment feeling super confident and ready to throw down their best. Taking on the FAST is a spiral review where we're tackling a bunch of different test item types like multi-select, multiple choice, matching item, graphic response item display, and so much more. We're also working through one problem from each of the 6 strands each day. So every day is going to have a problem from the NSO strand, the AR strand, the FR strand, GR, MNDP. After students take the test, I have so many teachers that email me saying that, oh my goodness, this was the final push that we needed. How their students made huge gains between PM2 and PM3 because of this resource and their execution of it. So if you're looking for support in all areas, whether it be your whole group, small group, the final push towards the FAST test, you can see that the gold is going to give you that value and the most impact. So whether you're starting with the bronze, stepping up to silver, or just going all in with the gold, you'll have a plan built by a teacher for teachers. It's aligned, it's strategic, and it's ready for you when you are. So to recap, the bronze, it gives you the video lessons and the student guides. With the silver plan, you get all of that, plus you get the extra practice pages with the math tasks and a math misconception mystery episode. Those are the 4 characters, and your students are instantly transformed into the math detectives. Also, it includes your answer keys. The gold plan contains your mini assessments and answer keys, breaking down the best episode, the access to McCarthy Math 155. By the way, the 155 stands for 155 video lessons, extra video lessons for you. And it also gives you access to taking on the FAST, that 15-day countdown. So there you go. Bronze, silver, or gold, whatever one is right for you is totally cool with me. You can upgrade or downgrade at any time. I'm here to help you. So if you have any questions, please email me at mccarthymathacademy@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon.